Okay, this is a Kenmore Model 65. It's a 1.2 amp all steel machine. It's a straight stitch machine until you add one of the double-sided flat cams, and it comes with 7 cams, so that means there's 14 patterns. The LOW-SHANK machine comes with a zipper foot, some bobbins, some screwdrivers. Uses class 15 bobbins. Cam inserts here in the top. That is the zigzag cam, and it is necessary to do a zigzag stitch. On the opposite side of the zigzag cam is a blind stitch. Double needle capable, bobbin winder here, stitch width, stitch length in reverse, and feed dog drop. Cosmetically, it is in excellent condition. It is tabletop ready or can be put in a Kenmore cabinet or a carrying case. And you will need a Kenmore cabinet or a carrying case because this is a large, long deck machine. Will not fit in a Singer cabinet or case. Run a little bit of it for you. It's fresh to service, ready to go. And these machines will work. Uses 15x1 needles and class 15 bobbins, both of which that can be bought at anywhere as easy as Walmart. And the cams have such patterns as a pyramid, like a box, just different kinds of patterns on the cam. 8 layers of denim. It has an automatic button holder built in also, and the manual will explain how to do that. You'll get a PDF copy of the manual. 8 layers of denim using the size 16 needle. Very nice stitch. 16 layers of cotton. Stitch. And 3 layers of garment leather. And a very nice stitch on 3 layers of garment leather. And that is the vintage Kenmore Model 65 1.2 amp cam machine.